Let's solve this question for x. The question is x times 27 to the power of x is equal to 1. If you think about from this question by using the power, that's correct. You can use log in this question, but let's try a different method this time. First divide by x each side, so that's give you 27 to the power of the x is equal to 1 over x. 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3, so we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 with the power of x is equal to 1 over x. Whenever there is a whatever the power is, if you want to get rid of this power, right? Like if the power is fifth, so we can do fifth root each side. If the power is 2, we can do square root each side. Right now the power is x, so we can take that root x each side. The root x means what? The power is 1 over x, so that become 1 over x to the power 1 over x each side. And then you can just use the exponent rule, a to the power m parenthesis n, you can multiply the power ml. Okay, so we can do this one. In this one, we have 3 to the power 3 x times 1 over x, which gives us x. So x with the power of 1 over x. We can cancel out and we're left with 3 to the power 3, 1 over x to the power 1 over x. So when you compare it, we got 1 over x is equal to 3. So that's give you x is equal to 1 over. You can, if you solve this question by using log, just comment on